Hey everyone, ever been deep into a YouTube binge or watching a crucial tutorial when suddenly someone walks into the room? What's the first thing you do? Probably panic, frantically hunting for that tiny volume slider with your mouse, right? Stop doing that. I have a secret weapon that will save you time and keep things smooth. Next time you need instant silence, forget the slider. Just hit the letter M on your keyboard. That's it, just M. It instantly mutes and unmutes the video player. This is a game changer because unlike hitting the spacebar or K2 pause, hitting M lets the video keep playing silently in the background. You don't lose your spot, you don't miss a beat, and you avoid that awkward noise interruption. It's the fastest way to handle unexpected interruptions without breaking your flow. This shortcut works on virtually every major online video player, not just YouTube. Try it out right now and thank me later. If you loved this quick productivity hack, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more tips.